Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your location on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. What I want you guys to do first is open your settings application, and on your settings go back to your home page like this, then scroll down to your general settings, click on your general settings, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom to your transferred or reset iPhone. Click on it, then reset. Then you should click on reset location and privacy. Since you do not want all your data to be erased, click on that option and your location will be erased and will be renewed. And you can open your map settings, or you can open any of the application that has your location on it to test it out, and you can see your location is no longer in use. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like it, then comment down the comment box below, leave your suggestions, like and subscribe. It's me Elise signing out. See you in the next one.